Hello and welcome to the Northland. Today's project, we're going to finally put them tire stickers on the car and see how this works. I've seen a couple of cars with them on it. It looks pretty cool, I think. So we're going to try and figure this out. Obviously it shouldn't be that difficult. Excuse me. We're going to take the tires off first, and then we're going to clean them because, well, just in case there's any kind of grease or oil on them. But I also want to make sure that we clean off the tire shine that was put on last time, probably last fall, somewhere in there, because we want to make sure these stickers adhere well to the side of the tire. So we're gonna clean them, spray them, dry them, and then it comes with some acetone cleaner stuff. We'll wipe it down with that, and then wipe down the tire sticker itself, and make sure it's dry. And then we add the glue, whatever, I don't know, it's probably something like super glue, to the sticker and put them on the tire. But we're going to take the tires off the car first, clean them up, and we'll go from there. So here we are, jacked up. I've already taken the lug nuts off of this one. That one is loose. And yes, I have to pull it up on the boards, otherwise my jack won't fit. Well, we just fell right off. Good thing we had something there to catch it. Oh, all right. Oh, I'm sorry about the terrible camera work. Again, I'm doing this by myself, so please bear with me. Yeah, so like I said, we're going to clean them. This is tire cleaner we're using. Right now we're using Meguiar's Hot Shine Wheel and Tire Cleaner. That's almost gone, and then we're going to switch to this. I have not used this stuff before, but I've heard good things about it. So if any of you have used it, or if there is a product you really like, let me know in the comments below. Sorry about that camera work. Let me know in the comments below. I'm always on the search for the best products available. When you're using stuff and you're doing it like I do with a brush like this, you want to make sure you don't, oops, I can't do two things at once. You want to make sure you don't do your wheels with it, because the nylon bristles will, over time, it won't be deep scratches, but you will see scratches in your wheels. So make sure you don't do your wheels with it. All right, so like I said, it comes with the bottle on the left, the blue stuff, is an acetone cleaner, and the stuff on the right is the glue. Now we're going to wipe the tires down themselves with the acetone, both of them, the outsides, and then we're going to wipe the stickers down on the black side here with the acetone, make sure it's dry, and then we put the glue on and stick them on the tire. I have a couple of hints. This was connected to the. I cut this in half because, for one, the Michelin tire is a little bit narrower here than the Nittos are, and so it was much easier, I felt, to slice that off and put that on as 3 pieces. And for anybody that thinks that I don't screw up or would never show it, well, I did. So I put all these on, and like a dummy, I was not paying attention. And this was Tables Bar DS. So ripped those off, and now I have to order a new one to fix that, unfortunately. So if you're doing this, make sure you're paying attention before you glue the dang things on there, okay? I put them on to, like with this one over here, right? I put them on and make sure they're evenly spaced, and then I glue them. And I don't know why I wasn't paying attention, but it happened. So anyway, when you do these, so I cleaned the tires with tire cleaner, and then I went over it with soap. And then I used this stuff to spray on here, wipe it off, let it dry, and then you use the glue, which I believe is probably nothing more than super glue. So if you run out, really shouldn't be that hard to fix. Now, I'm gonna turn you off in a minute so I can put the glue on here, but I'm gonna show you. So you put the glue on, use it, I don't want to say liberally, but you don't want to do it too sparingly either. So you want to cover a lot of the black, and then you'll put the cap back on, if you're using this anyway, and you'll use it to spread it around. You want it to cover all the edges. You want it, the whole sticker and everything. And don't be in too much of a rush. You've actually got a pretty good working time with this. And then when you go to put it on the tire, like with this I just did, I stick it on there, make sure it's all straight, and then you just start squeezing and rolling your fingers along all the edges, okay? And then just let it set. It says to leave it sit for 10 minutes, and then you can gently tear or pull the clear tape off. And there should be enough glue left over if you have like any edges that are not quite glued down, that you can put a little drop of glue in there and fix it. But anyway, as soon as I get done, I will show you the finished product. So here's one that I just smeared the J, and this one has just got the glue on it. So that's about what you want. And then, like I say, use this to cover all the edges and everything, and then go stick it on your tire. And make sure it's spelled right. Let's do a quick walk around. I do like the way it looks. You will get crap all over your fingers. I feel like I've got fingers made of freaking fiberglass right now because they're stiff. But yeah, I like it. Yes, it's dirty. I got splashed, and there is my screw up. So we're gonna wait, and hopefully we can get the other part to that and fix it. So, but other than that, give yourself plenty of time. I thought this would only take maybe 2 hours, and of course, if I hadn't screwed up, it would have taken less time. But it does take some time to do. So just be patient. Make sure everything is clean before you put it on, and yeah, you won't have a problem. So I would give this a 5-star product right now. And again, right now, I haven't driven it down the road yet, so hopefully I won't lose any letters. But that one I had to tear off was stuck on there pretty good, so I can't imagine it's going to come off. All right, so I hope you liked that video. Now those stickers, they do come in different sizes. So if you think, oh God, those never fit my tires, those are too big or whatever. I don't remember the exact size. I think they come in 2, 2 1/4, maybe 2 1/2, and 3 or something. I think these were 2 1/2. I don't remember exactly now because it was about 6 months ago since we got them. So anyway, I will put the link to this product in the description below. If any of you are interested, or if you have questions, go ahead and leave me a comment below, and I will do my best to answer any questions I can. And if not, I will be happy to find the answer for you if I can. Other than that, I don't think I have much else to add to this. So please smash that like and subscribe. Even if you did not like the video, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button with whatever you have handy. Hopefully it's just your finger because I don't want you to break your phone, but I know it wasn't funny. Make sure you share it with somebody you think might be interested, and even if they're not, share it anyway. All right, it's early. I'm sorry. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. We'll see you in the next video.